Today we are going to deal with servo system in control system subject. So what is the servo system? So it is defined as an automatic feedback control system working on error signal giving the output as mechanical position, velocity or acceleration. So it is defined also as a feedback control system in which the controlled variable or the output is a mechanical position or its time derivatives such as velocity or acceleration. So let us have an example. So this is the block diagram. So let us have an example of servo mechanism, that is we are using position control system. So you can see a load which requires constant position in its application. So this position is sensed and converted to voltage using feedback potentiometer. Right. It is compared with input potentiometer voltage to generate error signal. So this error signal is amplified and given to the controller. So the controller in turn control the voltage given to the motor. So due to which there will be a change in the position. So like that there are so many examples are there, like power steering apparatus or else machine tool position control, roll stabilization of ships. So these are some of the examples for servo system. So basically there are two types of servo system, AC servo motor and DC servo system. So the efficiency of AC is less as compared with DC. For AC servo system, it is low power output. Here it is a high power output. It requires less maintenance. Here frequent maintenance is required for DC. Less stability problem, more stability for problem for DC servo system. Smooth operation. Here it is noisy operation. It has non-linear characteristics, but in case of DC, it has linear characteristics. So what is transfer function? So yes, we know transfer function means it is a ratio between output and the input of a system, right? So relation between input and output of a system is given by the transfer function. So ratio of Laplace transform of the output to the Laplace transform of the input under the assumption of zero initial conditions. It will be defined as transfer function. So R of t is the input, system, C of t is the output. So C of t output, R of t input, G of t, that is open loop gain system function. So this we are converting in terms of Laplace. So R of t it becomes capital R of s, small g of t it becomes capital G of s, C of t it becomes capital C of s. So while writing in Laplace, C of s, R of s and G of s. So G of s Laplace of output, Laplace transform of input, R of s, C of s by R of s. So transfer function of closed loop system. So this is closed loop system. R of s input, C of s is output, H of s is the feedback gain, B of s is the signal, E of s is the error signal, R of s minus B of s is E of s. So we are going to find the transfer function for this. So transfer function is C of s by R of s, right? So we'll consider this error signal. E of s is equals to R minus B, R of s minus B of s, right? So R of s is equals to E of s plus B of s. Okay. So gain of the feedback network, that is B of s is equals to C of s into H of s, or else H of s is equals to B by C. Okay. Or else for easy Understanding? B of s is a signal. From where it is coming? C of s into H of s. From output it is coming. C of s into H of s. That will be very clear. So then gain for closed loop system is given by. So G of s is equals to C by E, or else C of s, where the input is coming for C of s from E of s, right? E of s into G of s. E of s into G of s. Directly you can write this equation. Then substitute this equation. C of s equals to G of s into E of s, where E of s is nothing but R of s minus B of s. So multiply G of s for both the term, right? So G of s, R of s will remain same, but here G of s, for B of s, you replace this C into H of s, right? Then C of s means this part, C of s, its term is there, no? So it will take this side, or else this term C of s on the right hand side. Okay, so G of s into R of s equals to this C of s we are taking on the right hand side, so it becomes C plus G of s into H of s into C of s. So C will take common, then we will find the transfer function. C of s by R of s is equals to